Somali Crabmeat Stew. A main dish from Somalia. Serves 4. You will need 11 ingredients. Step 1. In a saucepan, wash and rinse the rice. Add the water, cover and bring to a boil. Reduce heat and let simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Step 2. Heat the oil or butter in a deep, heavy saucepan. Add the onions, curry, ginger, salt, and red pepper flakes, and sauté until the onions are lightly browned. Step 3. Add the tomatoes and simmer until soft. Step 4. Add the crab meat or other seafood and sauté for 10 minutes. Step 5. Serve over the rice in scooped out scallop shells or alone. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.